welcome to Classic Ford Show 2025, and it wouldn't be Classic Ford Show without arguably the centrepiece, the Great Unveiling. So behind me, you can see 5 cars that have never before been seen on the Classic Ford Show circuit, or they have been, but you've forgotten about them, and they've had a bit of rejuvenation to bring them back to life. And if you stick around till the end, you see this car number 6, never before seen at a show in person, the only one in the world that is worth sticking around for. But first up, I think our Great Unveiling cars deserve a bit of attention. So we're going to start with car number 1, my glamorous assistants, if you'd like to hands on the cover for me here. So we've got Simon here from Classic Ford, who's happy to do the honours. So if you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, reveal. Oh, come on, that is tremendous, isn't it? That is a Mk2 Escort van. Absolutely glorious. And I believe the owner, Will, have we got you somewhere? Yeah, here he is. Will, tell us about this, mate. Mk2 Escort van, that is so cool.
Yeah, 2.5 years ago, I bought it, fully stripped it, restored it. Wanted to build it as a usable road car, so I was going to build like a really good crossroads put in it, but I went for a 2.5 litre Duratec on the heritage throttle bodies. I wanted to modify it, but keep it sympathetic and yeah, keep it period looking really.
I think you've done that. It's really classy, really cool. And how much power are you making roughly?
220, 200 foot-pound of torque, so usable power, but yeah, still.
Perfect, we like that. That is really, really cool. Is there any one detail you can pick out on this that you like particularly?
I love a van. I love an old van, so yeah. Probably the engine, I would say. I put a lot of work into making it look how it looks.
Excellent. Well, a round of applause for the Mk2 Escort van, ladies and gentlemen. That is a cool commercial if ever I've seen one. Next up, what's this one now? Just hinting, I can see some spotlights potentially, but why don't we shed some more light on it? If you're ready, chaps, in 3, 2, 1, reveal it, please. Oh, yes. I spy a Mk1 Cortina GT belonging to Mr. Neil Crisp. Neil, do we have you in the audience somewhere? Here he is. And he's got the confidence of a man who owns a car that cool. Neil, tell us about this beauty.
It's been a labour of love, you know what I mean? It's 6 years, took me 4 years to do, and I finished last night at 10:30, so yeah, just to get here. So it's been a journey, you know.
Every last minute has made it look brilliant. I mean, what are some of the details? I mean, we can see it's a Mk1 Cortina, obviously, but beneath the skin, what's it got going on?
S6 V6 3 litre, yeah. Capri running gear, Type 9 gearbox, quick shift, yeah. So I've not driven it yet, so I don't know how it goes like. You know? But
if it goes as well as it looks, you've got nothing to complain about. That's gorgeous.
Thank you, thank you. I owe it to my family and my missus. You know, she got back into it. You know, I just lost love with it, and yeah, she kicked me out and got me back into doing it. So yeah, I'm chuffed. I really am.
Fantastic. Well, shout out to the missus, but a round of applause for the gorgeous Mk1 Cortina, ladies and gents. Quite want to take that one home myself. Next up, another car undercovers. Are we ready? Car number 3. If you are ready, ladies and gents, in 3, 2, 1, reveal it, please. Oh, yes. Mk2 Escort RS 2000, ladies and gents. Round of applause for that. Come on. That is gorgeous. And I believe that belongs to Mr. Alex Young. Do we have Alex here somewhere?
Afternoon.
Hi there, Alex. Beautiful car. Tell us about it.
Started as a basic shell 12 months ago. Started out just something to do, really. Matches my van and the other Escort, so it's a bit of a thing going on. There's a picture in the front. Last time I was here was 16 years ago with my Mk2 Transit on the Great Unveiling as well. So kind of got both of them now.
You've gone full circle with it. I mean, it looks gorgeous. I mean, what's it like beneath the skin? What can you tell us about it?
Very old school. It's 2.1 Pinto, some bike carbs. It's just low and slow. There's no massive cosy things in it. I've got another one for that, but it's just, yeah, it was just a bit of a winter project, really.
Just proper old school build. Well, you know what? I love that. That's proper class. Round of applause for the Mk2 Escort, ladies and gents. We love that. Next up, car number 4. I believe we've got another assistant for this one. Okay. Whenever you're ready. In 3, 2, 1, reveal it, please. Oh, we're caught on the number plate. Don't damage that. And away you go. Oh, yes. A gorgeous Mk3 Cortina, ladies and gentlemen. I believe we've got that belongs to Mr. Jason Dan. Jason, do we have you here somewhere?
Oh, yeah.
Hello, sir. I mean, I love a Mk3, and that is stunning. Tell me about it.
It's been a bit of a nightmare to build, to be honest, but yeah, about 5 years in the making, nearly 5 years, so yeah.
And what's it like underneath the skin? I mean, the paint is absolutely gorgeous. I gather it's not entirely standard.
No, it's got Mustang bullet green, all the rear arch has been widened, everything's been smoothed off as much as possible, so yeah, basically a smooth build as much as I can.
It is very smooth indeed. If I had to ask you what's your favourite detail about the whole car, maybe not the colour, because everyone's going to say the colour, what else should we know about that you love?
I like the interior.
Yeah, that's class. Well, you know what, I love a Mk3 Cortina. I shouldn't pick favourites, but I am going to. Round of applause for the gorgeous Mk3 Cortina, ladies and gentlemen. And finally, we come to a car with a little bit of mystery behind it. So this particular one, the owner has lovingly restored it in the background. So I gather that his daughter is a big fan of his work and a massive supporter of his. And here's a little secret for you, ladies and gents. She is here and she doesn't know this car is here, but we're about to reveal it now. So when you're ready, gentlemen, in 3, 2, 1, whip the cover off it, please. Oh, yes. How good is that? A gorgeous Mk1 Escort, and the number plate tells all. You know who you are if you're in the audience. This is beautiful. And that belongs to Mr. Kieran Carton. Kieran, are you here somewhere? Hello, sir. Well, that is a car to be proud of. And I gather your daughter didn't know until literally just then that it was going to be here.
She might have had a suspicion. She's not daft.
Well, you know what? I think that is stunning. Tell us a bit about it. What's it taken to get it here?
Sleepless nights. All my holiday. Me and Sammy got married and we spent all of the honeymoon money on it. Just love and tears.
Yeah, I can see you choked up just looking at it. Is it as it seems, or is there more beneath the skin?
It's pretty much as I had it on the road when I was 17. Just done it a bit better.
And that's what we love. Do you know what? Sometimes the way Ford intended it is the best. So, you know, I have to give you a massive round of applause. This has been a labour of love and it's deserving. So a massive round of applause for the Mk1 Escort, ladies and gentlemen. That is beautiful. So we have here our wonderful selection of Great Unveiling cars, but there is one more car that we're going to show you all today that you might have seen pictures, you might have heard some internet speculation, but you won't have seen one in person yet because there's only one, and it was only finished a matter of weeks ago, and it's caused a lot of a stir in the classic Ford scene in amongst us. We've had a little peek of it, and we absolutely adore it. If I were to say the name Borum Motorworks to you, that might give you a hint as to what we've got. So we're simply going to whip the cover off and then let you descend on it, but maybe don't descend past the tape there. There is only one, don't damage it. So, when we're ready, ladies and gents, I think we have to pull the cover off of the car that everyone is talking about in the classic Ford scene. Don't damage it, Simon, there's only one. If you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, reveal this. Ladies and gentlemen, the Borum Motorworks Alan Mann Racing Edition. A round of applause for that, please. There's only one in the world at the moment, so get close, take pictures, have a look around it, but please don't mark it because we can't replace it. Do have a good look. That was the Great Unveiling, ladies and gents. Have a look at all these cars, talk to the owners because they love classic Fords just as much, if not more than all of you. That was epic.